Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by placing the Panda baby walker on a firm, flat surface. Make sure wheels are locked so it won't roll. Remove the toy tray and lift off the seat pad so you can see the frame. You're looking for the folding hinge release, usually a central latch under the seat or a rear tab, so once you can see it, inspect for debris or fabric caught in the mechanism. Clear it to ensure the release will move freely. Once the release is clear, position yourself behind the walker and keep one hand supporting the outer ring to control motion. With your other hand, press or lift the identified release. Apply steady pressure while you gently tilt the walker inward about 10 to 20 degrees so the hinges start to disengage. Make sure you fold both sides evenly. An uneven fold can jam the mechanism. Continue until you feel or hear the folding detent click, indicating the frame has moved into the collapsed position. To finish, secure the folded walker using its built-in safety catch or a small strap. This prevents it from springing open during storage. Reattach the tray loosely or clip it over the folded frame to keep everything compact. Once secured, give the unit a firm but gentle shake to confirm it won't pop open. If the walker is stuck, don't force it. Reverse the motion slightly, clear any caught fabric or dirt. Then try the latch again. This reset often frees a jammed hinge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.